Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and this is episode 402. Now, today's episode, we're talking about the halfway point of the investing $5 every day into the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, ticker symbol SCHD. Now, if you want to see that first video, my thoughts and process, what I'm going to do and how I'm going to initiate the challenge, you can check that out. The video is on January 2nd, episode 345. So definitely watch that one after this one. Now, we're going to get into Schwab right now, into Robinhood. And as you can see, now the market is open. I do like that dark appearance, though. It's really nice on the eyes. But the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF is right now, its share price is $75.80. Now we do have an upcoming activity for the day. We are put in for a market order that's pending right now for $5. It was submitted. It goes through like about 9-10 o'clock, and I noticed sometimes it won't actually be submitted until probably 11:30, 12 o'clock. So this is a 24-hour market, and I also feel like sometimes it'll give me the best price, which is really cool, going market share. If you guys have any thoughts on that or have experienced any recurring investments before, let me know in the comments below. So tomorrow we have a recurring investment. So we're gonna have a recurring investment every single day when the market is open. So we are just now about to hit the $50 point. The $5 that is put into it will make $49.64. Our average share cost right now is $76.39. So today we're going to get in for a little bit cheaper. Looks like we're going to buy for about 75 and some change, which will bring this average down. And that's what we want to do. We're averaging down when the company is in the downward trend. So we're getting all these $5 days, $5, $5, $5. So when it does rebound and go back up to these normal highs of 76 here, we'll have a low average cost of like 74, 75, probably be more about $75 as an average share price. So with this $5 here, for the day, and here that's 49, that's almost $50 of the challenge. Now for all of you that have followed, and for all of you who don't follow the channel, make sure you do smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. But the point is, this is halfway from the challenge. So $5 a day for 30 days, but there's only 20 market days open. So 20 times 5 is $100. We are at 50 or 49 and some change. So this is the halfway mark officially. As you can see here, our average price paid is $76.38. The current price is $75.78. So once that goes up, we're gonna have a nice discount. First order was on December 29th at a $76.01 share price. So that's nice. It is higher than it was previously. Investing $5 a month last month, and $35 or 0.46 since your first order. So this will change slightly too when they invest that extra $5. I think it's slightly delayed as well. So you'll invest $1,200 by December 29th of this year. So I literally started this challenge like 2 days before the year ended. So it's officially going to be a 1-year challenge. Now, in order to get through the first year, you got to get through the first month, the first week, the first day, and that is what we're doing. So if you add it up, it's about $100 a month, $1,245 a year. Now, I can up this. I may not do it for this, just strictly to show you guys the process of investing the $5 a day. Now, I did pull up a compound interest calculator. This is from investor.gov, so it's a very accurate calculator. Now, your initial investment is $0 because you're listening to this right now and you are thinking about doing the same thing. So if you are, sign up below with my link and you'll get a free share in Robinhood and I'll get a free share in Robinhood. It's a win-win. Now, you can also, when you do invest the $5 over a 40-year period, you can, with an average of 10%, now you can return over $800,000 and you only invested $72,000 in 40 years. But let me show you, that's 40 years, guys. Let me show you a little bit different, because that's an annual compound, okay? That's if you were to compound the money annually. We're going to buy monthly paying stocks, and we're going to compound that interest monthly. You're going to get 10% in dividends every month. Well, 10% a year in dividends paid out every month, but you also get about 10% appreciation. So let's talk about it. $150 a month. It's actually $100 with this challenge. Okay, we're just doing this challenge. You put your first $5 in, and you're going to go, I believe, still 40 years. Now you're going to compound that over 10%. Okay, we'll do 10% first. Monthly, you're going to have over 40 years, $632,000. Now, say 10% of that, $63,000 a year. You could live off of that without ever touching this money. Could you comfortably live off of $60,000 a year? I think you could. Can you comfortably invest $100 a month? Probably. You probably could. Now, let's take the same amount of time, 20 years. This 20 years is still a long time, but we're getting 20% returns, because 10% in dividends paid out to you, and then 10% in appreciation from the share price. Now, what happens when a share price appreciates 10% every year? Well, then the dividend price goes up also. So the 10% of 1,000 is a lot different than 10% of 1,500. And that's the compound interest effect we're going to look at right now. So over 20 years at 20%, you have $311,000. You can live off of $31,000 a year 20 years later, or you can keep compounding it over time. Okay? Now, what if you didn't have anything right now, and you could put a little bit more? Say you could put $500. In 20 years, you could have $1.5 million, guys. This is why it's important to start early and start now, okay? If you're thinking about investing, now's the time to get in with $5. Do you have $5 lying around? I'm showing you guys right now that it's possible to get into a Robinhood account, set it all up with the link below in the description. It's free to set up. It doesn't cost anything. $5, and you can get started doing the exact same thing right here. Look how much money I have in my buying power. $44, okay? And I just put that there so I'm not having to put $5 in the account every single day. So on payday, you put the amount you need for 2 weeks. That's 10 trading days. At $5, that's $50. You put $50 in your Robinhood account every single paycheck, and you will grow this to $1.5 million in 20 years, guys. $5. And people talk about this all the time, but it's nice to see it visually to where it can kind of guide you a little better, and you're like, oh, okay, for real, I really need this, okay? Let me show you some rewards, okay? If you sign up today for free, it doesn't even cost you anything to sign up with my link right here. You can get up to $200 in stocks, okay, just by signing up. Now, you get a 99% guarantee you'll get $5 just for signing up. So you'll get your first $5 when you sign up with my link below. I'm giving you the first $5. Not even me. Robinhood is giving you the first $5 to start your investing journey. And guys, the crazy part is every 1 out of 1,000 can get $200 share. $200. Now that's already giving you in a giant start here. $200. You can only invest $100 a month. At 20 years, guys, you're looking at $321,000 right off the bat. Right off the bat. What if you never contributed it ever again? You're like, oh, I made $200. I'm not going to touch it. That $200 today that you could potentially get for signing up with the link below can make you $10,000 in compound interest in 20 years. So technically, signing up could potentially get you $10,000 just for signing up with the link below and giving it a shot. Now, for all of you that are already signed up, now I have a lot of people signed up. Look at these CPass rewards. Now, a lot of these are members of the community. We have a group of over 77,000 members, guys. We have a community and a blog that we give information to you guys for free. We have a ebook here that you can sign up with your email and get our 52 weekly newsletters. There's going to be one every week this year. Okay. And this 10-step guide is so easy, guys. It's a really simple 20 pages or so. I think it's like take you 15 minutes to read. And it talks about financial freedom for teenagers and young adults and people just like you, because that's the demographic of my community, is young adults trying to cut ties with the bank of mom and dad, potentially trying to even quit working and live their dream life. Whatever the case is, you could sign up right here, join the newsletter, and get tons of useful free information. You could also get the blog. There is a blog available that you could sign up for, that you could check for free. Okay, it's all free information. I'll never ask you to buy anything. And then our group, that's what we're getting to, of over 77,000 members. We're at 71 actually thousand. We've been cleaning it up a little bit. It is a private group, guys. There is no spam. Look at this, potential spam 0, pending approvals. We're on top of it. We only have 8 new today. Ton of criteria. It's a very safe place to grow and learn and be a part of a community. And again, that $5, that investing you can do, guys. Okay, look at this here. We got referrals. We're getting shares. Let me show you the share of Facebook. It used to be called Facebook. Now it's called Meta. $179 share for free, just for somebody using my link to sign up. And he could potentially have gotten Facebook too. Siri, $5, Groupon, $5, Zynga, $4, Snap, $14. So you have a potential to make anywhere from $5 to $200 in stocks, but you're always guaranteed, and all you have to do is sign up and link your bank account. You don't have to invest any money. You don't have to do anything. That's what I did. Look at my first video on this YouTube channel, and it shows me getting my free share on Robinhood and then getting 7 more free referrals in a week. And I went from that first share of $3, check this out, all the way to, I got $3.62. The next day, I got $4 because someone signed up. Because you can do the same thing. Use a referral link, tell your friends and family, and get free money for now having a Robinhood account. Next couple of days, $4, $5, another next couple, $8, $3, $3. And really, that's how I did it for a while, because I didn't have the money to invest. And that's exactly what I did, was I used this to give me free money. Then you could, if you want to keep the stock, you can. If not, you could sell it, pull the money out to put it right into your bank account, or you can switch over and invest it into a different company. There are dividends available. I mean, there's a lot of different stuff that we can get into if you want to know more. Video's already getting kind of long, so that's where we'll end it. Watch another video. Watch that first clip of me with CHD and investing the $5 everyday challenge. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the final 30-day challenge, because there is a 30-day challenge. We'll see where we are. We'll have officially 1 full share, because right now we're at 0.65, and it looks like the payment went through. So let's look at that real quick. What do we get in on? We got approved at, does it still say pending? Oh no, it was filled. So it was filled for $75.78, which brings our share cost down to $76.33. Now, if you just rewind the video just a little bit, you'll see that this share price was slightly higher. So now we have a value of $49.66, and we're only down 34 cents. Now, if I would have put the $50 in when I first invested it on the 29th. Where's the 29th? Right here. at 76.05. Right now I would be down 76.05, 75.80. I'd be down quite a bit. I'd be down almost $1, I guess. So I'm only down 30 cents. So averaging down is a great way to lower that average cost. So when it does go, you know, say it's down here at 66 and you have an average cost of 66, this would say 66 and that would be 75, which would be a $10 difference on your money. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something today from the video. If you did, definitely smash that like button. And if you haven't already, check out the podcast and the private group. Sign up for the newsletter, get that free ebook, and start your investing journey today. It's free, guys. Sign up with the link below for Robinhood and get started. Takes 5 minutes and you could potentially get $200. And remember that $200 can make you 10 grand. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.